how to delete your Grammarly account permanently. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your Grammarly application, or you can even get into the Grammarly.com if you're using desktop, and then from there simply tap on your account icon right here. From here you will actually be able to see the option of your account, right? Simply tap on your username, and then from there you'll be able to see manage account settings. Tap on manage account settings. You will be directed into this particular link where you'll need to re-sign into your account, right? So after successfully re-logging in here, you will actually be able to get into your account settings, from where if you scroll all the way down here, you will be able to see your option delete account. Tap on delete account, and just like this you'll need to follow all of the given on-screen prompt. After that, here you can simply tap on yes, continue with account deletion, and just like this again choose your account one more time. If you are with your Google account, it will be a little hectic, and then from there all you need to do is simply like I said, last thing was to verify, and like that you'll successfully be able to delete your Grammarly account permanently.